Okay. 12 minutes past 9 and we are going to debate right up to 10 o'clock tonight. Gentlemen, are we ready to debate? Sambit Patra, M.R. Venkatesh and Ratan Sharda are on one side tonight. And on the other side, I have Deepak Mishra of the Samajwadi Party. He's joining us from Lucknow. Deepak ji, pehli baar aa rahe hain aaj Newshour par. Welcome. Abid Rasul Khan, coming on the Newshour after a long time, very seasoned man, seasoned voice. Chairman of the Andhra Pradesh and Telangana Minorities Commission, Abid Rasul Khan, good to see you tonight. Sanjay Hegde, Senior Advocate of the Supreme Court, I disagree with his views on this. I can imagine where they are. And Mufti Muhammad Manzoor Ziai.
You haven't heard them.
I know what they are. Of the Haji Ali Dargah Trust is with us from Mumbai this evening. Now, I want to start by asking you, Abid Rasul Khan, I called you a seasoned voice, but I also know that very often you can also be a reasonable man. Abid Rasul Khan, think reasonably. When the Muslim Personal Law Board says, we will boycott the Law Commission questionnaire, we will not even respond to them. When Asaduddin Owaisi says this is an attempt to impose Hindu Rashtra, I think it is a sign of their insecurity. They don't want to reform. They want to be stuck, in a 200-year-old situation. They are not living in India of 2016. They believe that by simply saying our religion is under threat, they will be able to get away. So let's broad base the subject right at the start. To all those who say that religious freedom is at threat because of the Uniform Civil Code, I ask, how is the Uniform Civil Code, Abid Rasul Khan, in opposition to the rights of communities to practice their religious faith when all the Uniform Civil Code does is this? It says, please practice your religious rituals as you must. Please practice your religious rituals as you must, according to your enshrined right of Article 25, but the civil law will not allow Indians to be distinguished based upon what they choose to practice. You carry out your religions, but the rights of a Muslim are equal to the rights of a Hindu. The rights of a Parsi woman are equal to the rights of a Muslim woman. Don't draw that distinction there. So, on that point, I'd like you to start, please. Please, take positions tonight, then it's an open debate. Abid Rasul Khan.
First of all, I endorse the stand of Muslim Personal Law Board and other religious organizations which has asked for a boycott of the questionnaire. The reasons for that is, this questionnaire is a sham. It has been so designed to get a backdoor entry for the government to impose Uniform Civil Code without the code being made in public domain. There is no code as such which is available with the government what they intend to do. Have you seen any act, have you seen any code which has been put up for debate without putting the agenda, without putting the code in debate?
That's exactly what they are doing.
Domain, you cannot debate on it, you cannot discuss on it.
That's exactly where you are wrong, Abid Rasul Khan. They are not, they want a public consultation so that all these inputs can be used in the framing of a code.
No, let me complete, Arnab. Give me a minute. Give me a minute. I have a very valid argument. I would like to put it to you, then you can debate on that. My point is, the country today has number of cultures, number of religions practicing their own beliefs and own religious rituals. Now, if you want to have a uniform civil code, or you want to have one law, one nation, or one nation, one law, you cannot have it by this 16 questions so designed to hit the Muslim community.
How is it designed to hit the Muslim community?
No,
how is it designed to hurt the Muslim community? I want to know, how is this designed to hurt the Muslim community?
Where it hurts.
How? Where does it hurt? Where does it hurt? Let's be specific. Where does it hurt?
It is all the questions, all the questions which have been designed have been aimed at Muslim community. And
which question? Which question?
That Sharia
which question? Can I get the question? One second. Which question? Which question?
Now, point.
No. One second, Mr. Rasul.
I have the questionnaire with me.
I have the questionnaire with me as well. Yeah. What is anti-Muslim?
Let me come to that.
Sir, one second. Abid Rasul, 1 minute. Can I intervene 1 minute?
I'm not saying anti-Muslim. I am saying the questions are so designed to only hit the Muslim community with the spice of other communities added in it.
Sir, you have to have a composite questionnaire,
and you have to discuss about number of things.
Mr. Rasul,
Now,
Mr.
let
Rasool,
me put
Mr.
a small
Rasool,
thing.
can
The
I
Sikh
intervene,
community,
Mr. Rasool?
the Sikh
Mr. Rasool, I
brothers
must
have the right
intervene,
to have
Mr.
a
Rasool.
kirpan. Are you going to give that right to the Muslims?
Mr. Rasool, can I ask you 3 counter questions if you hear me, please? And I want to get someone else into the debate. I don't understand. You are against triple talaq. You don't have a favorable view of the Uniform Civil Code. Mr. Rasool, please hear me this. If gender justice is what you seek and you are against triple talaq, why will you oppose Muslim girls getting married off at the age of 15? I think no girls should be married off at the age of 15. Muslim, Hindu, Christian, Sikh, any religion. You say this is hurting the Muslim religion. I say it is not. It is helping all Muslims. Chauvinistic men who marry off their daughters at the age of 15 should be put in jail. Let me say this. Those men who marry off their daughters at the age of 15 should be put in jail, whether they are Hindu, Muslim or from any religion. And if we implement a law that stops that from happening, you should welcome it rather than saying that's anti-Muslim. Sambit is opening the debate. M.R. Venkatesh free to come in. Ratan Sharda is also. Sambit, please, as a counter, please. Sambit, yeah.
Let me give me a minute to reply to your question.
Sir, one second. Sambit is responding, sir. Sir, Sambit is responding, Mr. Rasool.
Questions?
Yeah, Sambit is responding. Can I hear Sambit?
Questions go one by one. Divorce law is affecting the Christians. They suffer.
Can I please?
Sambit, please. Can I hear Sambit? Yeah.
Yes. Number one, since 3 or 4 days, whenever we have been listening about this UCC, Uniform Civil Code debate, 3 R's come into my view. The R's have been confused. Rites, rituals, and the most of rhetorics. See, rites have to be distinguished from rituals. Every citizen of this country under the constitution of this country has to have similar rights. As far as the rituals are concerned, well, yes, the constitution guarantees that the country or the state will not interfere with the ritual. And as far as the rhetorics are concerned, Mr. Abid Rasool, you are in fact highly praising the All India Muslim Law Board. I have heard the All India Muslim Law Board's yesterday press conferences. The first sentence that they uttered was Indian government was aware that is illegal. The second thing they say was Law Commission is aware that is Law Commission of India is also illegal. Then they go ahead to say that if UCC is brought, then there would be some kind of internal strife, internal fight, and they end the press conference by saying that laat or jute chalenge.
No, I would like to correct you, Sambit. I have the statement of Muslim personal law before me, and it doesn't say that. It doesn't say that. You are trying to twist the whole matter. It doesn't say that. What we are trying to say is that. No, let me complete it. You have put a direct allegation on me. I need to answer that.
Mr. Abid, you cannot interject. Give me some time. Mr. Abid, give me some time. I did not. Mr. Abid, we all have to speak in turn. You please do not speak over me.
Which paper are you talking about? No, I need to answer. Mr. Abid Rasool, which paper are you holding? Both sides are holding papers. What papers are you holding? 1 second. Abid Rasool Khan and Sambit. Mr. Rasool Khan. Mr. Rasool Khan. Mr. Rasool Khan. Mr. Rasool Khan, the debate. I have to bring this back on track. Mr. Rasool. Mr. Rasool.
Please read page number. Mr. Adib, you are always a well-behaved man. We have debated in the past as well.
No, I have it in my
like this.
Can I hear Mr. Rasool? I can't hear him.
There is no such point where we have said it is illegal.
Mr. Abid, please hear me. I heard you.
I can't hear Sambit at all now.
Please hear me. No, this is the questionnaire that I hold for the public consumption. There are 16 questions in total. Mr. Rasool says that these questions are only derogatory to Islam or to the Muslim people. Please go through question number 8. Question number 8, do you think that steps should be taken to ensure that the Hindu women are better able to exercise the right to property?
Mr. Sambit, don't try to twist the whole
this
fact.
Is for the viewers,
I told you that the questions
this
are
is
aimed
for the
at
viewers.
Muslims. I never said that.
You are not the lone viewer. Allow us to answer. Please don't shout and muzzle my voice. If you try to muzzle my voice, the people of this country will only point the fingers towards you, Mr. Rasool.
You cannot say that.
Please don't muzzle my voice. Be tolerant. Be tolerant.
I have an equal right
to talk
to you. You cannot put.
No. You'll have your own turn. Question number 9. Please read for me question number 9. If you have read the questionnaire as you are saying over here, tell me what is the question.
Mr. Rasool and Sambit Patra, both of you must now let me come in, and both of you will be quiet for a minute. Mr. Rasool, listen. Mr. Rasool, there are 6 panelists who have not spoken. Mr. Rasool, there are 6 panelists who have not spoken, and Mr. Mr. Rasool, 1 minute. I think you're being unfair now, Mr. Rasool, because we start the debate at 9:12. It is 9:22. 6 panelists have not spoken. Only you are speaking, and therefore I request you to give the others also a chance to speak. Please, Mr. Rasool. We can't do this. We can't have only you speaking. 6 panelists are waiting, Mr. Rasool, so that I can share this information with you. Point number 1 is this. Point number 1 is this, and let's debate this tonight. I'd like Mufti Ziai and M.R. Venkatesh on the debate. Can I get them in? And then others feel free to come in. But let us go down to fundamentals. Simple question. And मुझे हाँ और ना में जवाब दे मुफ्ती जी. हाँ और ना में.
बिल्कुल मैं हाँ
नहीं सवाल ही नहीं पूछा आप क्या बोल रहे हैं नहीं सवाल ही नहीं पूछा आप ना हाँ और ना कह सकते
मैं कहना चाहूंगा
नहीं मैं नहीं
आप सवाल की बात
मैं सवाल कर रहा हूँ मैं सवाल कर रहा हूँ
जी पूछिए
मेरे सवाल का बात
पूछिए आपके सवाल का जवाब दिया जाएगा बिल्कुल जिम्मेदारी के साथ बताएं
हमारे देश में 14 या 15 साल की लड़की हाँ शादी करा देनी चाहिए कि उनको स्कूल में पढ़ाना चाहिए कॉलेज में पढ़ाना चाहिए दूसरा सवाल
सवाल
एक जी दूसरा सवाल सुनिए मेरे सवाल को हाँ इसका कोई कॉम्प्लिकेटेड आंसर नहीं है एक आदमी की 4 बीवियां कैसे हो सकती हैं तीसरा सवाल एक आदमी तलाक 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 कह के अपने बीवी का डिवोर्स कर दिया इमीडिएटली ये व्हाट्सएप पे भी डिवोर्स हो रहा है आजकल ये भी अलाउड है बिल्कुल नहीं अलाउ होना चाहिए और चौथा सवाल है सती प्रथा को आप कंडेम करते हैं कि नहीं सती प्रथा इज अ वायलेशन ऑफ फंडामेंटल राइट्स ऑफ वुमन ओके आप अगर सती प्रथा को अपोज करते हैं और कहते हैं सती प्रथा नहीं होनी चाहिए तो फिर पॉलीगैमी भी नहीं होनी चाहिए और 14-15 साल की लड़कियों की शादी भी नहीं होनी चाहिए क्योंकि जो लोग सती प्रथा कराते थे वो कहते थे हिंदू धर्म नहीं सुनिए मेरी बात को पूरी जो लोग सती प्रथा कराते थे वो कहते थे नहीं हमारी धर्म के मुताबिक ये ठीक है हमारे धर्म ने ये अलाउ कराया है आप क्यों बीच में आ रहे हैं आप कौन होते हैं हम तो सिर्फ अपने भगवान के साथ बात करते हैं भगवान कहते हैं सती प्रथा अलाउड है आप ऐसे ही कह रहे हैं हमारे रिलीजन कहते हैं कि 14-15 साल की लड़कियों की शादी करा दीजिए 4-4 बीवियां रखिए और ट्रिपल तलाक कीजिए आप कौन होते हैं बीच में आने वाले
जवाब दे दूं
नहीं आप सुनिए मेरी बात आप सुनिए मेरी बात लॉजिकली बात सुनिए लोग आपके खिलाफ है लोग आपके खिलाफ है आपकी अपनी कम्युनिटी आपके खिलाफ है आपके कम्युनिटी की औरतें आपके खिलाफ है लोग बोल रहे हैं आज आपके खिलाफ बोल रहे हैं आप आउटडेटेड हो चुके हैं आप असलियत समझ लीजिए
आप जिम्मेदार अगर आपका ये जिम्मेदार चैनल है तो दुनिया वाला ये भी जानना चाहते हैं दुनिया के लोग ये भी सुनना चाहते हैं अगर आप सवाल करते हैं तो जवाब भी सुनिए मैं आपको बता दूं कुरान और हदीस में इस बात की ममानियत है अगर तुम जिम्मेदारी नहीं निभा सकते हो तो चौथी या दूसरी या तीसरी शादी ना करो इस बात की ममानियत कुरान कहता है
कौन डिसाइड करता है जिम्मेदारी
उठा पाते हो तो शादियों को ना बढ़ाओ
व्हाट इज दिस जिम्मेदारी
कुरान
सॉरी
वो शख्स अगर नहीं उठा सकता
सॉरी नॉट अलाउड
अब बात जहां तलाक की आती है
नॉट अलाउड
हदीस की बात नहीं है सर
आपके कॉमन सिविल कोड में काम नहीं चलने वाला है
सर एक कुरान और हदीस की बात नहीं है
आपके
सवाल है महिलाओं के हक का
आपको बताना
महिलाओं के हक के बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं
सुन ले
और गौर से सुन लीजिए
को खत्म कर देंगे
आप सुनिए ना
आप तो इतने लिबरल हो गए कि आप शादी को
नहीं आप गलत बोल रहे हैं
चाहते हैं
आप गलत बोल रहे हैं आप बेसमझ हैं
खत्म कर दिया तलाक की नौबत नहीं आएगी
क्यों अरे सर शादी को नहीं खत्म कर रहे हैं शादियों को खत्म कर रहे हैं
शादी को
खत्म कर रहे हैं आप इतना समझ जाइए कि आपको आपकी महिलाओं को मुसलमान महिलाओं को हक दी जा रही है जो आपको एतराज है
अरे मेरे काबिल
शादी को नहीं शादियों को खत्म कर रहे हैं समझ लीजिए
हिंदुस्तान का व्यूअर आपको देखना चाहता है कि हिंदुस्तान के कल्चर को किस तरीके से खत्म करने की कोशिश की है ये गुरु नानक का हिंदुस्तान है ये राम का हिंदुस्तान है ये ख्वाजा अजमेरी का हिंदुस्तान है
शादी किसी भी रिलीजन में नहीं होना चाहिए बच्चियों की शादी कहीं भी नहीं होनी चाहिए पॉलीगामी नहीं होनी चाहिए
शादी कोई
पॉलीगामी नहीं होनी चाहिए
नहीं आएगी
सर
हेलो दोस्त
अरे
दोस्त शादी को खत्म कर दीजिए
इतना मोहब्बत क्यों है इतना मोहब्बत शादी से क्यों है सर
हमें नहीं बता दीजिए हम आपको बताना चाहिए
सब मुसलमान बच्चियों को 18 साल के बाद शादी करवा दीजिए सब मुसलमान बच्चियों का 18 साल के बाद शादी
अगर रेशियो देखना चाहते हैं हिंदुस्तान के अंदर
अगर आप एतराज क्या बता दीजिए
चाहते हैं तो
आप एतराज क्या बता दीजिए
सबसे
आपको एतराज क्या है कि बच्चियों को 18 साल के बाद शादी करने में आपका क्या एतराज है अरे इस्लाम को छोड़िए, अभी हम कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन की बात कर रहे हैं।
कितनी बात
आप इतना बता दीजिए,
the basic point is the basic point is the basic point is this.
Just a minute,
अगर आप इसी
Basic point is
issue is one of
Mr. Ziai.
we are talking about triple talaq, we are talking about age of Muslim children to get married, we are talking about triple talaq, we are talking about
Ratan
polygamy,
Sharda is
we are
also
talking
into the
about
debate.
secular issues.
Ratan Sharda, Deepak Mishra, Sanjay Hegde. Ratan Sharda, Deepak Mishra, Sanjay Hegde. 9:28 p.m. I need to move to the other guest. Deepak Mishra, you see, this is all political.
MR, just let me put in a point.
MR, 1 minute.
Very simple point.
MR, 1 minute. Ratan Sharda, Deepak Mishra, Sanjay Hegde.
MR, please
Yes,
let me
yes.
speak.
Yeah.
Arnab, simple point, very simple point. Those who wanted to live life by Sharia, who wanted to live life by Islamic laws, they went to Pakistan in 1947. Those who stayed back believed that this is a secular country with a secular constitution. With this very commitment, these people stayed back. Not today, either they follow the secular constitution which talks of separation of state versus religion and follow uniform civil code. At least let them say, the won't what you say, are they okay with removal of triple talaq? Are they ready for gender justice? Let them commit to that. They cannot talk of Sharia and then talk of constitution when Hindu majority wants something.
I have Mr. Deepak Mishra of the Samajwadi Party.
And eat it too.
Ratan Sharda.
They are talking of constitution.
Ratan Sharda.
They want to refute
Ratan Sharda जी एक मिनट. Sharda जी एक मिनट. Deepak जी एक मिनट रुकिए. Deepak जी रुकिए. Ratan Sharda wait.
Will take you to stoning. Will take you to all the
न तो ये
Sharia laws
सैद्धांतिक रूप
and
से
not
सही है
Sharia laws
और न व्यवहारिक रूप से सही
across
है।
all the
उदाहरण के
countries.
तौर पर
नहीं एक मिनट. रतन शारदा, दीपक मिश्रा जी रुक जाइए.
शरिया कोई सारे एक देश का एक नहीं है.
आप एक दूसरे से
शरिया नहीं है.
अच्छा रतन शारदा,
शरिया की बात करें, बांग्लादेश में अलग है,
रतन शारदा,
इंडोनेशिया में अलग है, पाकिस्तान में अलग है,
रतन शारदा,
कौन सा शरिया?
रतन शारदा रुकिए एक मिनट. दीपक जी रुकिए.
सबसे बड़ी बात यह है
रतन शारदा आप रुकिए 2 मिनट रुक जाइए. दीपक जी रुकिए. नो रतन शारदा विल यू स्टॉप 1 सेकंड. रतन शारदा प्लीज स्टॉप फॉर अ मिनट. थैंक यू सर. 1 मिनट. मिस्टर शारदा प्लीज स्टॉप. मिस्टर शारदा प्लीज स्टॉप. नाउ माय क्वेश्चन टू दीपक मिश्रा इज दिस प्लीज. दीपक मिश्रा जरा शांति से मेरी बात सुनिए. आप कह रहे हैं कि जो पर्सनल लॉज है ये मुस्लिम जो मौलवी वगैरह है उनको डिसाइड करना चाहिए. ठीक है, आप वो कह रहे हैं. आप मुझे बताइए कि आपको क्या लगता है, ट्रिपल तलाक होनी चाहिए कि व्हाट्सएप में तलाक हो जानी चाहिए आजकल? जस्ट मुझे संक्षिप्त में रिप्लाई कीजिए.
बिल्कुल नहीं.
अच्छा,
हर व्यक्ति का, चाहे वो नर हो नारी हो, उसकी वैयक्तिक गरिमा का उतना ही सम्मान होना चाहिए जितना बाकियों का.
अच्छा, तो
लेकिन एक बात
नहीं मिश्रा जी सुनिए. मिश्रा जी आजकल आपको बताऊं क्या हो रहा है.
ये बात और भी
नहीं मिश्रा जी आपको बताऊं क्या हो रहा है. मिश्रा जी आपको बताऊं क्या हो रहा है. आजकल ना व्हाट्सएप में, SMS में डिवोर्स हो रहा है. फेसबुक में जाके लोग कह देते हैं तलाक हो गया, खत्म, तलाक हो गया. ठीक है. और आपको दूसरा सवाल मैं पूछना चाहता हूं कि 14 या 15 साल की लड़कियों की शादी हो जानी चाहिए क्या?
देखिए
नहीं आप बताइए.
चीजों को बिल्कुल नहीं होनी चाहिए.
तो फिर ये सब ये जो मुफ्ती जियाई है
पढ़ने देना चाहिए और उसके बाद जब सक्षम हो जाए तो उनको फिर शादी होनी चाहिए.
नहीं 14 साल.
और ये मैं बता दूं, कोई भी जिम्मेदार मुसलमान कुरान और हदीस के नाम पर भी इन चीजों का विरोध नहीं करता. देखिए यही तो हमारे सामाजिक जीवन का सौंदर्य है. प्रतिबद्ध मुसलमान होते हुए भी अशफाक उल्लाह खान उतने ही बड़े देशभक्त हैं जितना
देशभक्ति की बात कोई नहीं कर रहा.
रामप्रसाद बिस्मिल, आप इस स्वाभाविक सौंदर्य में कानूनों को लाकर मत बांधिए.
नहीं क्या बात
देश को जीने दीजिए.
अगर दीपक मिश्रा जी आप थोड़े
समझ में नहीं आ रहा है क्या बोल रहे हैं.
रतन शारदा इज रिस्पॉन्डिंग. यस मिस्टर शारदा,
इनको चाहिए था शरिया.
आप बेहतर समझे लेकिन आप समझना नहीं चाह रहे हैं.
आई एम जस्ट सेइंग
आप आदर्श
डोंट ब्रिंग इन पैट्रियटिज्म इनटू ऑल दिस. दिस इज प्योरली सिविल इश्यू. आप औरतों के अधिकार का हनन कर रहे हैं. आप औरतों के ऊपर अत्याचार कर रहे हैं. आप धर्म का सहारा लेके औरतों को अत्याचार कर रहे हैं. आप बीच में पैट्रियटिज्म लाके बहाने मत बनाइए. अगर
देखिए,
आप अगर
पैटर्न
इस तरह
की
के
बात
कानून
नहीं
की
है।
बात करते हैं,
समाजवादियों ने हमेशा नर नारी समता की बात की है।
चले गए ना, तो हमारे साथ
कई जो
आप हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के
पहला ही सूत्र है नर नारी समानता
के हिसाब से चलिए।
जब तक नर नारी समानता नहीं होगा यह देश तरक्की में होगा ही नहीं। यह देश 135 देशों से मानवीय समग्र विकास में पीछे है। सवाल यह नहीं है।
तो
नहीं,
सर,
नहीं,
तलाक
सवाल ये है,
देने के बाद
सवाल ये
आप
दीपक
बताइए,
मिश्रा जी,
तलाक का
जातीय
अधिकार
मिश्रा जी,
सांस्कृतिक
मन
और
मिश्रा जी,
वैयक्तिक जो
मिश्रा जी देखिए, मिश्रा जी, I understood you speak very well in Hindi, but let me make one point to you, Mr. Mishra, can I tell you one thing? Can I tell you one thing, Mr. Mishra? सुनिए मेरी बात, मिश्रा जी सुनिए मेरी बात। इतने कॉम्प्लिकेटेड जवाब देने की जरूरत नहीं है। आप सिंपली कह दीजिए आज कि देखिए उत्तर प्रदेश में चुनाव आ रहे हैं, हमको मुस्लिम वोट चाहिए और मुस्लिम वोट हमें इतनी चाहिए कि अगर मुस्लिम वोट को प्राप्त करते हुए हमको 14-15 साल की लड़कियों की शादी एक्सेप्ट करनी पड़े तो कर देंगे। क्या बड़ी बात है, 15 साल की कई लड़कियों की शादी हो जाएगी, हमें मुस्लिम वोट मिलेगा। क्या होगा, पॉलीगैमी होगी, ट्रिपल तलाक होगा, हाँ, मुस्लिम औरतों के साथ अत्याचार होगा, मगर हमको मुस्लिम वोट मिलेगा। यही तो है ना आप लोगों की खेल।
समाजवादी
मुफ्ती जियाई जी, मुफ्ती जिया इज बैक ऑन द डिबेट। मुफ्ती जिया इज बैक ऑन द डिबेट। दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द मुस्लिम वोट।
किया जाएगा।
मुफ्ती जिया, यस मुफ्ती जिया, व्हाट्स अप? मुफ्ती जिया प्लीज, दीपक मिश्रा हैव स्पोकन। मुफ्ती जिया
के लिए भारतीय जनता पार्टी की तरह से ऐसी बातें नहीं करते कि जिसमें हिंदू मुसलमान का विभाजन हो। धार्मिक
और ये भारतीय जनता पार्टी कहां से आ गई बीच में?
तो शादी करने की इजाजत है।
मुफ्ती साहब, मैं आपसे एक सवाल पूछूं? मुफ्ती साहब, बाइज्जत मैं आपसे एक सवाल पूछूं? कृपया करके सुनिए, मैं आपको एक सवाल का जवाब दीजिए, बहुत कुछ हल हो जाएगा। ये जो ऑल इंडिया पर्सनल लॉ बोर्ड ने अपना एफिडेविट ट्रिपल तलाक के मामले में सुप्रीम कोर्ट में दिया है, अगर आपने पढ़ा है तो उन्होंने लिखा है कि ट्रिपल तलाक वैसे तो अनडिजायरेबल है और उसको रिलीजन से जोड़ना नहीं चाहिए, मगर 3 कारण है जिसके कारण ये होना चाहिए। कारण नंबर 1, अगर पति पत्नी में लड़ाई होगा तो पति पत्नी को जला सकता है या मार सकता है, इसलिए अच्छा है कि तलाक दे दे। दूसरा, अगर पति कहेगा कि अरे ये पत्नी का कैरेक्टर खराब है तो फिर पत्नी की दूसरी शादी नहीं हो पाएगी, इसलिए ट्रिपल तलाक होना चाहिए। तीसरा कहा है कि ये पति लोगों का, आदमी लोगों का डिसीजन मेकिंग कैपेबिलिटी औरतों से ज्यादा होता है। मेन हैव मोर डिसीजन मेकिंग कैपेबिलिटीज देन वुमेन एंड दैट इज व्हाई दिस डिसीजन रेस्ट्स ऑन मेन। क्या आप मानते हैं कि महिलाओं की इंटेलिजेंस कम होती है? मैं तमाम उन लोगों से पैनल में पूछ रहा हूं, चाहे वो संजय हेगड़े जी हो, चाहे वो आप हो, चाहे आबिद रसूल हो, कि क्या आप लोग महिलाओं की इंटेलिजेंस को कम मानते हैं?
बहुत ही जिम्मेदारी के साथ मैं आपको इस कुरान और हदीस की रोशनी में जवाब देना चाहूंगा कि अगर मुस्लिम पर्सनल ने ये बातें रखी हैं तो आपसी तनाज़े को ध्यान में रखते हुए रखा है कि कल होकर के कोई बड़ा इशू ना हो जिस बुनियाद पर कुछ और बड़ी तकलीफें सामने आ जाए। अगर दोनों की आपस में नहीं जम रही है तो सबसे बेहतर सूरत है तलाक की। और बात जहां तक 3 तलाक की बात होती है, कुरान और हदीस में 3 तलाक की मनाही है, लेकिन आप दे देता है तो तलाक।
महिलाओं का इंटेलिजेंस कम है?
संबित आपको बताना चाहूंगा,
आर वुमेन लेस इंटेलिजेंट देन मेन? डू यू एग्री टू दैट?
I just want to speak directly to Mufti. Mufti ji, 1 minute. Mufti ji, मैं आपको कुछ कह रहा हूं. Don't misquote the Quran. आप कुरान को न्यूज़ प्रोग्राम मिस्टर जियाई, डोंट रेज योर वॉइस। मिस्टर जियाई, लिसन, लेट मी कंप्लीट माय पॉइंट एंड देन यू कैन रिस्पॉन्ड। मिस्टर जियाई, you see the problem with muftis and maulvis like you is that you believe that you can pick up one part मैं कह रहा हूं जो मुझे कहना है, ये मेरी डेमोक्रेटिक राइट है। आप कौन है? मैं पूछ नहीं सकता हूं आपको? आप मेरी बात सुनिए मुफ्ती जी, आप मेरी बात सुनिए। मेरी पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू है, मेरा पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू है कि आप जैसे मुफ्ती और मौलवी जो है वो कुरान को मिसकोट करते हैं नेशनल टेलीविजन पर आकर, कुछ भी कह देते हैं इधर से उधर से उठा के। मैं कह रहा हूं मिसकोट कर रहे हैं, आप मिसकोट कर रहे हैं कुरान को, आप कुरान को मिसकोट कर रहे हैं,
आप भी उलमाओं को बदनाम करने की साजिश,
आप मिसकोट कर रहे हैं।
मिसकोट की बात कर रहे हैं। मैं आपको कह रहा हूं कि आप उलमाओं को दुनिया के सामने गलत तरीके से पेश,
मैं सिर्फ कर रहा हूं, कह रहा हूं कि जो लिखा, जो सच्चाई है मैं आपके सामने, मेरी बात सुनिए। ना मैं मौलवी हूं, ना मैं मुफ्ती हूं, ना मैं कोई पंडित हूं, मगर मैं आपको सवाल पूछ रहा हूं। I'm asking you today that you have a concept. Please listen to me. There is a uniform civil code. The uniform civil code gives equal rights to men and women in matters of marriage, equality to men and women in matters of divorce. And Abid Rasool can come into this debate if he wants, because I can take on both of them together. The Uniform Civil Code also gives equal rights to men and women, Abid Rasool, in matters of inheritance. Now, I want to know, how does it violate religious laws when even chapter 1 of the Holy Quran, verse Al-Nisa 1, mentions equality in humanity and says, and I quote, "As men feel, women feel too. As men level up to values, women also do. And as men can achieve heroism, women can too. And hence men and women are created from one soul." This is the spirit. If this is the spirit, I don't know why you don't agree that a uniform law that makes men and women equal only reaffirms what the religious text says of equality. Point number 2, and Mufti ji, please understand, आप misquote मत कीजिए. No. This misquoting of religious text.
आपने गलत समझा है. आपने
मैं समझ नहीं रहा, आप misquote कर रहे हैं. आपको मैं तो एक one by one expose कर रहा हूं.
को भी आपने ऐसी बात कर रहे हैं. कुरान की बात मैं बता रहा हूं, आप कह रहे हैं misquote कर रहे हैं. आप कुरान को समझें पहले. मैंने आपको पहले भी बार-बार कहा है कि कुरान की आयतें अगर कोई सामने आती है तो उसे समझने की कोशिश किया जाए.
समझ तो मैं रहा हूं, बहुत कुछ समझ रहा हूं. बोलिए Abid Rasool. You know, I'm going by the spirit.
Can I come in?
Yeah.
Can I answer your questions?
Yes, please.
Yes. Yes. I will talk very frankly and very fairly.
Please do.
My point is, where is the Uniform Civil Code that you are talking about, and why is it being pointed at the Muslims only? When there are
it is not being pointed at Muslims only. It is not being pointed at Muslims only. I'll tell you why, Abid Rasool, because I want you to. You have got the questionnaire before you. No, MR Venkatesh is back on the debate. 1 second. Do we all have the questionnaire before us? Sorry. We have the questionnaire before us. We have the questionnaire. You have the questionnaire?
Yes.
1 second. We have the questionnaire. Who has the questionnaire on the program? Then show it. 1 second. Who has the question? Sambit has the questionnaire. Sambit on the left. 1 second. We go by this. We all have the questionnaire. You have the questionnaire, Abid Rasool? Okay, we have. Okay, we'll all look at the questionnaire now. And I am looking at this live on the program. And I request you, Abid Rasool and Sambit, look at the questionnaire, point out page number 2, yes. question number 8. Read it out, Abid Rasool. Read out page number 2, question number 8. Read out. Live पढ़ते हैं आज. चलिए.
Yeah, it pertains to Hindu women's rights. No, let me complete it.
Yeah.
Do you think that steps should be taken to ensure that Hindu women are better to exercise their right to property?
Yeah.
Okay, my point to you.
No. Complete the question. Complete the question. I repeat the question. The question says, do you think steps should be taken to ensure that Hindu women are better able to exercise their right to property, which is often bequeathed to sons under customary practices? 3 options are there. Yes, Hindu women must be made aware of this right. 2, no, there are adequate protections in the existing law. And 3, legal provisions will not help what is primarily a cultural practice. Therefore, this proves that this questionnaire is questioning as much Hindu religious practices as it is questioning Muslim religious practices. Will you apologize to the viewers of News Hour tonight, Abid Rasool, for trying to give this dangerous spin that this questionnaire is anti-Muslim? Sir, you must apologize now. You must apologize now.
One second. Let me answer my...
MR Venkatesh.
I must answer you.
You must apologize.
Look at question number 6 also.
You should allow me a fair
Sir, you can apologize
now. Under the denomination of polygamy, the Maitri Karar, that is the friendship deed of Hindu marriage, also has been questioned.
You cannot have a predetermined debate where you decide the course of the debate.
These are printed questions, sir. These are printed questions.
You should give a fair chance for me to answer all the questions.
Sanjay Hegde, come back to the debate. 1 second.
Give me a fair chance. No, Sambit, I should get a fair chance.
I'm just projecting those questions to you.
I should get a fair chance to answer all the questions raised on me.
No, sir.
You cannot have a predetermined debate.
Question number 6.
This is the predetermined debate where you want to push it to a particular agenda and you want to close it there. Forget the questions. Let us debate the allegations which have been put on the community. Now let me
Okay, Sambit, let Abid Rasool make his point. Let Abid Rasool make his point.
If you allow us, no, if you don't want to allow us, that's it, you can go ahead. No,
make your point, but
you have raised 3 questions on the community. No, I will take only 1 minute of uninterrupted time, and then I will complete it. You have made 3 points about child marriage. First, I would say that the census and the statistics show that 84% of the child marriages is from the Hindu community.
No,
We are
that is not a
against
point.
any law
But
which
there is a
involves
law against
child
it,
marriages.
sir. There is a
Number
law
two,
against
polygamy.
it.
No.
Number
Can I?
two-
Abid Rasul,
Number two.
Abid Rasul, only me to
No,
Abid
I'm
Rasul.
talking about
Abid
uniform
Rasul,
civil code.
Abid Rasul,
I'm talking about
Abid Rasul.
uniform
Now you
civil
listen to
code.
me. You must. It's just me.
Let
Just
me
me.
complete.
Listen
Let
to
me
me. Abid
complete.
Rasul,
Let me
listen to me.
complete. I
No,
have
Abid
only-
Rasul, I have a counter.
only
I
1
must.
minute.
I have a counter. I'll take 30 seconds, please.
You are-
I'll take
you are
20
not-
seconds.
you are not
I'll
giving
take
me a fair
20
chance.
seconds. I'll take 20 seconds, and I've given you maximum time on the program.
Give me
No,
1
you
minute,
must give
let
me
me
10
complete my
seconds.
submission,
No,
then
Abid
you
Rasul.
can grill
Abid
me as
Rasul,
much
I'll
as
take
you
10
want.
seconds. I'll take 10 seconds. Have patience, please. Don't lose patience. You have got more time than any other panelist
the
on
boss,
the program.
you are the boss,
No,
you can
Mr.
do
Abid
whatever you
Rasul,
want.
hear me this. Tomorrow,
you
Mr. Abid
are
Rasul,
the boss.
if a 14-year-old, Hindu girl is married off, you know her father or whoever has got her married off can be put in jail. But if a 14-year-old Muslim girl is married off, as per this Muslim personal law, you can't do anything about it. Is that fair? Is that fair? To the girl. Is that fair?
I am telling you.
Would we? No. Is that
Arnab,
fair?
If you give me a minute of.
So
no,
don't
I'm-
cite statistics to me, sir. Yeah, back on the debate. MR Venkatesh is
I'm
back.
telling
Mufti
you
Ziai,
clearly on
Mufti Ziai.
How many more minutes you
channel.
want?
Yeah,
Sir,
let me complete
sir,
it. I am telling
sir,
you
please
clearly on
understand.
your channel
No, please
that we are
understand.
against it. We are against it. And we have our own system.
Then there is
we
no
have our own
question. Please
system of setting
understand.
things right.
Please
It is
understand. We
for
are not
Times
yet
Now or
migrated
NDTV
to
or any other channel
we
to
are not
set right the
migrated to a
religion.
uniform
We have
civil
our own
code.
system.
We are just
Now, let
asking
me
certain
complete it.
fundamental questions
You are pointing these questions
of
on the
leveling the playing
minorities
field
and the
between
Muslims.
women and
You are not
women and
pointing
men,
these questions
of
on the
which
majority
the
community. You are trying to show
the
that
most
we are involved in
deprived
this.
lot is the
fact
Muslim women,
remains that it
and
is
this
more
is
of them
this is
involved
being
than us.
leveled. It is
Now, let
it is
me
not a
complete it
Hindu
very
Muslim
clearly.
issue.
We
It is
are
a Maulvi versus Muslim women. It is ulema versus Muslim
we
women.
are discussing
It is
but we have our own
Muslim
system of
clergy versus
doing
the
it.
Muslim
It
women.
is not you
Please
who are going to
understand
dictate
that
us.
we are
It is
not
not
here
you who
to
are going
debate
to
Hindu
dictate us.
Muslim.
It is not that
between
your-
the
under
whole
your
community.
pressure we will go and
We are
accept it.
reforming the whole
No,
community
no.
to the extent that it
you are
accepts
taking the
intervise
debate
the
to a wrong
constitution.
this thing.
It is
You even in polygamy,
No,
it is
it
more
is where
prevalent
it is.
among the majority
Sir,
community
Okay,
than in the minority community. Are you going to accept that?
Sir,
It
so
is.
all
It is.
of
Statistics show
No, it's a fact.
that
Then
in
we will
polygamy it is
rectify it.
more of the-
Why
you
are
for
you voting
polygamy
the
or
back
against
of
it?
the
The minority. We are against
Everybody
it.
will
Yeah,
get into
Quran
okay.
is against it.
I will
Mr.
get
Rasool.
into it. You will get
Are you
into
going
it.
Okay, we are wasting time now. Okay, we are wasting time. I want to go to Mufti Ziai. Mufti Ziai, please, on the right. MR Venkatesh, wait. Mufti Ziai on the right, please. Abid Rasul, I heard you. Abid Rasul, I heard you. I heard you. MR, wait.
This is a Muslim women
Simple
issue.
point is
This
today.
is not a Hindu
MR, wait. Simple point. And I don't want us to speak over each other, please, okay? I'm making a request. It does not help. Simple point is, what is the problem? Every Muslim person, leader, Maulvi, everybody comes on the program and says we are against triple talaq. But the moment you say we'll remove triple talaq, you say, oh, you are interfering in our religious practices. We are against polygamy. But the moment we say remove polygamy, you say nobody against our religion. I don't understand this. If gender justice is what they seek and they are against triple talaq, then take a stand against nikah halala, wherein a man, in order to remarry his divorced wife, can only do so if the wife marries someone else and is against divorce by a second husband. I mean, look at these laws. Just think about what we are doing out here. And I'd want to welcome into the panel tonight Pirzada Muhammad Amin Shah, who's the Secretary of the Muslim Personal Law Board of Jammu and Kashmir. Pirzada Muhammad Ali Khan, I just have to ask you one simple question. Should a man be allowed to have a maximum of 4 wives? I think not. 4 बीवियां क्या हो सकती है, कोई भी कहेगा नहीं होनी चाहिए. 14 साल की लड़कियों की शादी हो सकती है, कोई भी कहेगा नहीं होनी चाहिए. ट्रिपल तलाक क्या हो सकता है, कोई भी कहेगा पीरजादा जी की नहीं हो सकती है. इसको किसी के नाम पर ये अलाउ नहीं हो सकता है. पीरजादा जी, आप समझ रहे हैं मेरी बात? Yes, I'm listening to you. Yeah, go ahead.
Yes.
Yeah, go ahead. So my question to you.
अर्नब जी, जो 3 क्वेश्चन
Yeah, okay, go ahead. Pirzada ji, go ahead.
3 क्वेश्चन आपने पूछे. नंबर 1 की क्या 4 बेबियां कोई रख सकता है? फर्स्ट. सेकंड, क्या 10 साल के बच्चे की शादी हो सकती है?
14 साल की.
एंड द थर्ड वन, 14 साल. And the third one?
Triple talaq.
ट्रिपल तलाक.
ट्रिपल तलाक.
Yeah, triple talaq.
हाँ, सबसे पहले मैं ये गुजारिश करूंगा कि जो ट्रिपल तलाक है इसको गलत तरीके से पहले ही इंटरप्रेट किया जा रहा है. सो फॉर ट्रिपल तलाक इज कंसर्न, ये 3 अलग अलग मौकों पर है और इसको जैसे पेश किया जाता है एज इफ कि आप एक बार ट्रिपल तलाक कहते हैं तो ये हलाल हराम हो गया.
क्या what do you mean?
अब मसला है जहां एक
Do you give the same rights to men, women?
मर्द की शादी हो रही है, उनके पास एक yes.
Do you give the same rights to women?
That is why if you
होता
say
है.
these are a problem, this requires reforms.
No, do you give the same rights to women?
That is why these reforms
Yes.
are being talked about.
No, one sec. Do you give
Why
the
is it
same?
not- why is it not clear?
Do you
Why is
give?
it not clear?
No, Pirzada, please understand. Do you give the same rights to women? Can women do triple talaq?
What kind of right?
Triple talaq. Give women
What
the right
kind
to
of
do
right?
triple
उसको
talaq to
खुला-
their
नहीं,
husbands.
नहीं.
No, why not?
Kindly don't interpret it in such a manner
This is
कि
all-
हर एक इसको
There is no
जैसे वो
interpretation. It is a
आइटम
simple
बॉम्ब
fact.
समझते हैं.
Don't
Listen to me,
give
listen
it
to
an
me
aura of
first. Listen to me.
interpretation.
Don't please.
It is a simple question.
Please don't shout. Listen
No,
to
it is
me.
a simple question.
If I am
Don't-
correct, okay. If I am
No,
not
nobody
correct,
is shouting.
No.
No, you are not correct. That is why
मर्द
forced to
के लिए
interject.
मर्द तलाक
That
दे
is why
सकता
you
है
are
और
giving
जहाँ
a
तक
hallowed
औरत का
term like
ताल्लुक है, औरत खुला दे सकती
interpretation when
है.
it is a simple thing.
But you have to see under what
औरत ट्रिपल
circumstances.
तलाक दे सकती है कि नहीं?
पहले ये देखिए ना, एक बात है जहां ये मर्द के लिए हलाल है वहां औरत के लिए भी है. ये अगर एक मर्द गलतकार है, अगर एक
ट्रिपल
मर्द जुआ
तलाक
खेलता है बाकी, लेकिन उसकी जो शरीक है.
Sir, you are
Yes.
going out tangent. We are asking a
Why is
simple
it not
question.
clear?
Can a lady give triple talaq? Can a lady give triple talaq? Can a lady marry multiple times? Is it permitted? Is it if a husband marries multiple
No,
times
no,
when
no,
a wife
not at all,
exists?
not at
Is
all,
it
not
not an
at all.
affront on her dignity?
Not at all.
Not at
जहाँ
all.
तो for triple
Not
talaq
at
is
all.
concerned-
You mean to say multiple
अरे भाई-
marriage is not an affront on the dignity of the women? I'm sorry, sir. This is the
अरे पहले
greatest
तो आपको
tragedy
पता
on
होना चाहिए. Why
prime
you
time
are
that we are
discussing this issue
seeing.
when you are
We are
not
witnessing
aware?
a prime time tragedy.
You are not aware.
No.
How you are supposed to
Please
discuss this
understand.
issue?
You.
No. You are not aware. You are
Sir,
not any
no, I am
authority
not-
to discuss this issue.
Pirzada बोले.
No.
कोशिश न की जाए.
Sir, I am not aware.
This is not
the
your-
dignity
you
of
are
the
not
women.
playing a game.
I am aware about the
This is not
dignity
your
of the
issue.
women. Sir, I am. Sir, this is the
You are
issue.
not
If you
aware-
don't, if the
if
problem
you are
I
not
said,
aware,
is
you are not
the,
aware.
sir, this is the problem between the women
आप
and your
नहीं
people.
हैं या
The
औरतों
people
को-
who
अरे
are
मैं
you
आप
to
डाल रहे हैं.
who are you to
आप
deny
पूरे
them?
हिंदुस्तान में
Who
आग
are you
लगा
to
रहे हैं.
deny?
What nonsense? You are talking
एमआर,
rubbish.
Sir, who are you to deny?
तहफ़्फ़ुज़ फराहम करना चाह रहे हैं.
Who are you?
नहीं आप करना चाहते हैं. अरे who are you? I'm asking you. Who are you
आप
to
कहाँ ले जा रहे हैं?
I don't know the ABC. I know the dignity. I know the dignity of the women. So please keep quiet. Don't try to tell and bamboozle me with all these things. Please be careful with your words.
कीजिए ना, अगर आप
Please be careful with your words. Now you ask. I asked you a question. You don't have the guts to reply.
Emar, 1 second. Emar, I have two questions. I have two questions to these two gentlemen. Calm down. Emar, no, 1 second. Yes, Ratan Sharda is making a point. Ratan Sharda, you want to make your point
God's
because I have two
word.
questions. Yeah, yes, Mr.
Don't
Sharda.
fool people.
Yes.
I am trying to make a point that Sharia is not God's word. Sharia
What
was
rubbish you are talking?
codified
What rubbish you
from
are
30
talking?
years to 120 years after a prophet.
आपको पहले पता होना
So
चाहिए
don't
कि आप
try to
डिस्कस
tell
क्या
us it
कर
is
रहे हैं.
part of
अगर आपके
Quran or something.
अगर
It is a
आपको
Arabian
ये
custom,
इस सारे
it's
बारे
part
में
of
पता ही
Quran,
नहीं है
it has
तो
been
आप क्यों
modified
ये लोगों को
all
दिखा
over
रहे
the
हैं कि
world
मैं
by
चैनल पर
different
डिस्कशन के
countries.
लिए आ रहा हूँ.
And let me also say, let us not reduce this debate to Hindu-Muslim
आपको 80
question.
कंट्री देख रहे
There
हैं,
are
खरबों
communities
लोग
of
आपको
Christian
देख रहे हैं.
communities
आप अपना ढिंढोरा
suffering
मत
heavily
पिटवाइए. It is
because
not
of
like that.
poor divorce laws and poor adoption
cannot
laws.
challenge the
Will
Quran.
nobody
You
talk
cannot
about them?
challenge the Hadith.
What is this question of
No,
creating
okay,
everything
okay,
into
we
a
want
Muslim issue?
far from
This
it,
is
far
very
from it.
forgivable kind of debate.
Pirzada Pirzada Mohammad Amin Shah. 1 second. Ratan Sharda, wait, take a break.
Which is not imposed even in
Ratan
Bangladesh or
Sharda,
Indonesia.
Mr. Sharda.
अर्नब जी, इतना शोर वहाँ है जैसे वहाँ मछलियाँ बेच रहे
आप
हैं.
मेरी बात सुनिए पिरजादा मोहम्मद अमीन शाह जी.
हाँ, फरमाइए,
आप अगर
बताइए.
थोड़े से अपने कुरान को मिस इंटरप्रेट करना बंद करें नेशनल टेलीविजन पर तो आपको दो तीन चीजें कहूंगा.
Why?
I'll tell you why.
If you
I'll tell you are misinterpreting. That's my
tell
problem. My problem with you, both you, and Mufti Ziai is that you come on television, you are openly before millions of people misinterpreting your religious text, and I'll tell you why if you have the patience to listen to me. And Mufti ji can come back on the debate. The Uniform Civil Code will ensure all women across religions will be treated on par with men in all walks of life. How on earth is that eroding religion when it reiterates what chapter 1 of the Holy Quran, verse Al-Nisa 1 says opposing gender discrimination? And I will now go on to proceed to quote the Quran. And Pirzada ji, you can be on the other side of the screen. This is your religious text, and it says, and I quote, any inferior look at the woman.
The constitution is cancelled. So far, now listen to
sir,
me. I heard your
sir, please, no, you are not.
So
sir,
far,
problem with you is, I am about to prove you wrong. But आप सुनना नहीं चाह रहे क्योंकि आपकी गलतियां मैं अभी, अगर डिबेट है तो मेरे को मेरी बात रखने का अधिकार है. उसके बाद आप बोलिए पिरजादा.
आप ही बोले जा रहे हैं, मुझे तो बोलने का हक ही नहीं, टाइम ही नहीं दे रहे हैं.
आप आपके गलतफहमियों को दूर करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूं. सिर्फ मुझे 40 सेकंड लगेंगे. इतनी तो मुझे समय दे दीजिए पिरजादा जी. 40 सेकंड में आपकी गलतफहमी दूर कर दूंगा. 40 सेकंड लगेंगे. आप प्लीज मुझे 40 सेकंड का समय दें.
बताइए आपके 40 सेकंड.
होली कुरान, आप टाइम कीजिए. आप होली कुरान वर्स Al-Nisa 1 says, I quote, any inferior look at the woman as less human than man is a jahiliya consideration that is not admitted in Islam. This is exactly what the Uniform Civil Code says. Another part I want to point out to you, that is from the Holy Quran, chapter 4, verse Al-Azab 35, says on equality in religious duties. It says, Allah wanted to confirm, clarify and perish any doubt about equality between men and women in religious duties, faith pillars and Islamic pillars. This is exactly what the Uniform Civil Code says. So if the Uniform Civil Code will give women the right to divorce her husband if she wants, how is that wrong when the Quran entitles her to? Now that is what is there in the spirit of the Quran. The problem is that you have misinterpreted your own religious text because you want to suppress women, because you want to oppress women, because you would want to have a situation where one man has 4 wives, can do triple talaq, and 15-year-old girls can be married off.
मैंने आपका सुना, घंटे में से 1.5 घंटा आप खुद ही बोल रहे हैं.
अच्छा, मैं एक ब्रेक लेके वापस आ रहा हूं. The debate is carrying on. Just a 3-minute break and I'm back on the other side. Don't go away, viewers. Don't go.
You're watching the News Hour at 10. Debate number 1 on Times Now. Super Prime Time.
I have 4 minutes on this part of the debate, and I just want to say, Pirzada ji and Mufti Ziai ji and Mr. Abid Rasool, I have an open mind and I am willing to be corrected on it. But my source material today, Pirzada ji, एक मेरे पास कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन है, दूसरे मैंने कुरान की जो अंडरस्टैंडिंग और ट्रांसलेशंस देखे हैं मीनिंग के लिए, और तीसरी मेरे पास ऑल इंडिया मुस्लिम पर्सनल लॉ बोर्ड की उनका जो प्रेस नोट है मेरे सामने. मैं सिर्फ एक बात पूछना चाहता हूँ पिरजादा जी कि लोगों को डराने की कोशिश, मुस्लिम समुदाय को डराने की कोशिश क्यों हो रही है? ये मुस्लिम पर्सनल लॉ बोर्ड कह रही है दैट दिस इज एन अटेम्प्ट टू नलिफाई मुस्लिम पर्सनल लॉ. दिस इज फियर मॉन्गरिंग बिकॉज द क्वेश्चनर डज नॉट जस्ट टॉक अबाउट मुस्लिम लॉ, इट टॉक्स अबाउट ऑल रिलीजन पर्सनल लॉज इंक्लूडिंग हिंदू एंड क्रिश्चियन.
नो.
यस.
डू यू बिलीव दैट कुरान जो है ये आसमानी किताब है, आप इसको मानते हैं?
जी.
दिस इज क्वेश्चन टू यू मिस्टर अरब.
मेरा काम नहीं है मानना, मगर मेरा काम है कि जो लॉ और कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के दायरे में जो हो रहा है उसकी अंडरस्टैंडिंग होनी चाहिए.
नहीं, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इज समथिंग डिफरेंट. कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इज समथिंग डिफरेंट. मुस्लिम
कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इज सुप्रीम.
दैट इज समथिंग डिफरेंट.
कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इज
क्वाइट डिफरेंट.
सो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इज सुप्रीम.
No, not at all. First of all, I am Muslim. First of all, listen to me, sir. Dear sir, listen to me.
How can you say not at all in matters of rights?
I am Muslim. First of all, you are Hindu.
Sorry. In matters of rights. Sir, आप कैसी बात कर रहे हैं? No, sir, I am telling you.
Basically,
sir, then we have a difference of opinion. My point of view is, in your rituals, no sir, listen sir, you are Muslim, I am Hindu. In our rituals, sir, listen to me. In our rituals, we follow our religion. Sir, 1 minute, can I say one? In our rituals, we follow our religion. But in our rights, the constitution is supreme.
First of all,
in our rights, the constitution is supreme.
पहले आंसर दे दीजिए.
Yes.
No. First of all, I am Muslim. then I am Indian or Kashmiri.
No, that is where, first of all, we are Indian. First we are Indian. First we are Indian. So then we have a difference of opinion on this. First we are Indian. What's MR Venkatesh is countering you? MR Venkatesh, Sambit Patra, please. MR Venkatesh, Sambit Patra, Ratan Sharda. First MR Venkatesh.
Constitution.
MR Venkatesh, the debate will carry on. MR Venkatesh and Mr. Pirzada.
Are you saying the Constitution has to be read below the Quran, and if there is a conflict, then the Quran will override the Constitution?
मैं पहले कुरान को मानता हूँ, then Constitution.
Ratan Sharda.
We are a
Islamic agenda.
Ratan Sharda on the left.
That is what he wants to do.
I am Muslim.
Ratan Sharda.
Obey the rules of Quran.
Sir, I'm sorry.
I am saying that he clearly wants to use Constitution to further his Islamic interest. He doesn't believe that Constitution is above either religion or above Sharia. While in secular country, Constitution is above everything else. What kind of society they are talking about?
But you are supposed
I very clearly said
you are supposed
Constitution comes first.
You are not
Sambit Patra. Sambit Mufti Ziai.
dividing Indians.
Sambit and Mufti Ziai.
No, that is not the case.
Sambit and Mufti Ziai.
Just a second. I want to ask a question.
Obey the Quran.
Allow me. I respect you, but allow this question. मुफ्ती जी, पीरजादा साहब एक सवाल पूछ रहा हूं, उत्तर दीजिए इसका. पीरजादा साहब, all those who are saying that by having a uniform civil code that brings down the religion, as you are saying, why don't you oppose the uniform criminal code? आज हिंदुस्तान में यूनिफॉर्म क्रिमिनल कोड है. शरिया के हिसाब से कोई अगर चोरी करता हुआ पकड़ा जाए तो उसका हाथ काट देना चाहिए. तो आप जो कह रहे हैं कि आप पहले मुस्लिम हैं फिर इंडियन हैं, तो आपको तो कहना, तो आप मानते हैं कि हाथ काट देना चाहिए? आप क्या यहाँ सीरिया बनाना चाहते हैं? आप क्या यहाँ पे ISIS लाना चाहते हैं? ये हम लोग हाथ पैर काटेंगे लोगों के, गर्दन और हाथ काटेंगे, ये भी बाकी रह गया है.
You are crossing your limits. You are crossing your limits. You don't know the ABC of Quran and how you are interpreting this.
Uniform.
No, you are talking rubbish.
Uniform criminal law. Do you welcome that?
Sunnah, I have to obey the Sharia.
I am asking.
Then I am Kashmiri.
Mr. Pirzada, Sambit, wait.
No.
Sambit, may you please wait? I want to make this point clear. I want to Sambit 1 minute. Sambit, wait. Sambit and Mr. Pirzada, wait. Sambit and Mr. Pirzada, wait. I have come to a fundamental point of disagreement. Fundamental point of disagreement now we are on. And please let me say what I'm saying here, sir. For me and for all Indian citizens, Mr. Pirzada, the Indian Constitution is supreme. Okay? And if the Indian Constitution, Mr. Pirzada, did not exist, please, Mr. Pirzada, just listen to me. Listen, be reasonable. I want to tell you, the same article that all of you quote all the time, which is Article 25, freedom of conscience and freedom of free profession and practice and propagation of religion, subject to Mr. Pirzada. Allow me, Mr. Pirzada, allow me now, Mr. Pirzada. Allow me to complete my point, Mr. Pirzada. Please listen to me. I know you're shouting, sir. I'm not. I'm listening. I was saying it very quietly. But if you're going to shout, I'm going to shout too. Because anyone who runs down the constitution of my republic, anyone who runs down the constitution of our republic, this republic is ours, and anyone who runs down the constitution of our republic is making a critical mistake. And Mr. Pirzada, remember this. You listen to me, Mr. Pirzada. You've crossed the line today. Aapne line cross kar di hai. Mr. Pirzada, you listen to me now. Mr. Pirzada, first tell me. You keep talking. No, Mr. Pirzada, I am Indian first. I'm Indian first and I'm Indian last. Be clear about it. Mr. Pirzada, I and all of us are Indian first. You say you are Indian first. I am not Hindu first. I'm Indian first. And I'm proud to say it.
अरे ये आप कह रहे हैं.
नहीं, मैं कह रहा हूँ. I'm Indian first. My religion, my state, my language, everything comes after my Indianness. You should say the same thing. You cannot be an Indian soil. And Mr. Pirzada, I want to tell you one more thing. मेरी बात सुनिए. मेरी बात सुनिए, Mr. Pirzada. सुनिए. Mr. Pirzada, सुनिए मेरी बात. सुनिए, logically सुनिए मेरी बात. Logically सुनिए.
Very painful.
Mr. Pirzada, tell me one thing. Article 25 protects your right to practice and propagate your religion. Where does Article 25 come from? It comes from the Constitution of India. और उसी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन आप आज कह रहे हैं कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन कम्स आफ्टर माई रिलीजियस टेक्स्ट. आई एम इंडियन सेकंड, आई एम मुस्लिम फर्स्ट. व्हाट काइंड ऑफ लॉजिक इज दिस? इफ एवरी इंडियन, नो मिस्टर पीरजादा, if every Indian was to speak this dangerous language, if every Indian was to speak this dangerous communal language, इसको कहता हूं मैं communal language.
This is not.
It's a communal language. And in this, no, you cannot. No, Mr. Pirzada, fundamental rights की बात कर रहे हैं आप. सुनिए, फंडामेंटल राइट्स की बात कर रहे हैं आप. आपको सवाल पूछूं, आपको सवाल पूछूं मिस्टर पिरजादा, सवाल पूछूं. पहले आराम से सुन तो लीजिए, पहले आराम से सुन तो लीजिए मिस्टर पिरजादा. ये फंडामेंटल राइट्स की बात कह रहे हैं, सुन तो लीजिए जनाब.
फरमाइए.
फंडामेंटल राइट्स की बात कर रहे हैं. ये फंडामेंटल राइट्स कहां से आते हैं? कहां लिखे गए फंडामेंटल? कहां से आते?
आपसे सुनूं मैं.
फंडामेंटल राइट्स कहां से आते हैं?
पूरी तैयारी कर रखी ना, बताइए ना कहां से.
मैं बिना तैयारी के कोई प्रोग्राम नहीं करता. फंडामेंटल राइट्स कहां से आते हैं?
राइट यू आर.
फंडामेंटल राइट्स कहां से आते हैं?
मुझे नहीं पता है ना, आप बताइए ना.
आपको पता?
मैं एक सवाल पूछूं?
नहीं, फंडामेंटल आपको पता नहीं. आपको बोलने में तकलीफ हो रही है पिरजादा जी, आपको बोलने में तकलीफ हो रही है कि फंडामेंटल राइट्स और आर्टिकल 25 कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन से आते हैं और उसी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन की तौहीन करते हैं आप आज और कहते हैं आई एम मुस्लिम फर्स्ट एंड इंडियन सेकंड. आई एम सॉरी,
आप गलत.
आई एम सॉरी, दिस इज नॉट अ लॉजिक आई बिलीव, एंड दिस इज द प्रॉब्लम इन आवर रिपब्लिक. इन आवर रिपब्लिक मिस्टर रसूल एंड वन सेकंड, लेट मी गेट पिरजादा मोहम्मद अमीन. नो, मुफ्ती मोहम्मद जियाई, Mufti Muhammad Ziyai, this is the logic where we say you want. No, I'm not, I'll tell you one thing, Mr. Pirzada. Unlike you, Mr. Pirzada, unlike you, I don't believe I become a lesser Hindu by saying that I'm Indian first. I don't equal. My nationality comes above everything, including my religion.
You are on
everything, including my religion, my state, my language, and everything. You should understand that spirit. Don't abuse the Indian Constitution and don't abuse the democracy of our republic.
We are not
Mufti Ziyai. This is the core of the debate. Mufti Ziyai.
आपको हमारी इंसानियत तो पहले बतानी होगी. अर्नब, हमारी इंसानियत तो पहले बतानी होगी. पहले एक इंसान है हम.
पीरजादा साहब को अपोज करना चाहिए. आप उनके साथ हैं या उनके खिलाफ है, ये बताइए.
मैं आपको इतना, आप मेरी बात
नहीं, आप पहले ये बताइए कि पीरजादा साहब ने जो कहा वो ठीक कहा या गलत कहा.
हम सबसे
प्लीज, ये बहुत बड़ी बात है. एंड प्लीज डोंट क्वेश्चन द पेट्रियोटिज्म ऑफ मिलियंस ऑफ इंडियन मुस्लिम्स. Millions of Indian Muslims would be raising finger to this Mr. Pirzada. I tell you.
इंसानियत सबसे बड़ा मजहब.
ये बहुत गलत स्टैंड लिया है पीरजादा जी ने. आप इसको क्लैरिफाई कीजिए. आप मुस्लिम धर्मगुरु हैं. मैं आपसे इज्जत के साथ बोलूंगा, विद रेस्पेक्ट मैं आपसे कहूंगा कि आप इसमें लड़िए मत. आप इसमें क्लैरिफाई करिए. नहीं सर, देखिए ये बहुत बड़ी बात है. आप
नागरिक है, हिंदुस्तान हमारे लिए
कौन पहले आता है? पहले कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, पहले आप इंडियन हैं या पहले आप मुस्लिम हैं? जो पीरजादा साहब ने कहा वो ठीक कहा या गलत कहा? आप इसमें बोलिए.
तैयार किया है इसी धर्म की तमाम किताबों से लेकर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन तैयार हुआ है मेरे दोस्त.
सर, आप बहुत कॉम्प्लिकेटेड उत्तर दे रहे हैं. सुनिए, ध्यान से मेरी बात सुनिए.
लेकिन अगर इस्लामी मामला से वो टकराता है.
सर, मैं आपसे बहुत इज्जत से कह रहा हूं सर, सुन लीजिए हमारी बात. ये मैं बहुत लोगों की बात कह रहा हूं. सुनिए, आज पीरजादा जी ने मुसलमानों के प्रति अन्याय किया है. मुस्लिम्स हैव फॉट फॉर दिस कंट्री, दे हैव डाइड फॉर दिस कंट्री, दे लिव फॉर दिस कंट्री, एंड बाय पासिंग दिस स्टेटमेंट दैट आई एम अ मुस्लिम फर्स्ट एंड एन इंडियन लेटर, यू हैव टू डिनाउंस इट. वी डोंट टेक रिकॉग्निशन. आप इस प्रोग्राम में इसको डिनाउंस करिए. You have to denounce this in this program.
What? पात्रा साहब, आप क्या
नहीं तो बहुत खराब संदेश जाएगा.
हिंदू को हम कहेंगे आप हिंदू हैं, मुसलमान को कहेंगे आप मुसलमान हैं, ये खराब संदेश है. अगर आप सारे लोगों को या हिंदू रहना चाहते हैं, that is something different.
You cannot do this.
If you want to change the democracy of India, that is something different.
No.
Okay, Abid
Sir,
Rasool.
no,
Abid
you are
Rasool.
trying to denigrate the Muslims.
Abid
You owe an
Rasool.
apology by saying that
not-
Muslims hold the Quran above the Constitution.
Allow me a minute.
Abid Rasool and Ratan Sharda, then I close.
Please.
Ratan Sharda on the left, Abid Rasool.
Yeah.
But the
Abid Rasool.
Constitution has to be respected whenever it is in conflict.
Let me answer.
Please understand,
Let me
whenever there is
answer.
a conflict,
Let
the
me answer.
Constitution will override the Quran.
Ratan
Arnab, Mr. Pirzada has heard in his statement, and I am telling you, we are Indians first,
Yes.
and being an Indian, we have been given the guarantees and the Constitution to profess our own religion and own beliefs.
Objection.
Now, as far as the point,
I have no objection that if you are Indian first, then you are what you are. But I am Muslim
Religion
first,
does
then.
not give you right to misbehave with women or take away their rights.
अरे भाई अगर आपको मजहब नहीं है तो फिर क्या है आप? Then why you are discussing religion? Why you are
Remember this.
discussing religion?
Your constitution doesn't give you this
Why
right.
you are talking religion? Then if you are not Hindu, if you are not Muslim, if you are not Christian.
You cannot override those rights in the name of religion.
I think there is a
No
the
religion talks about including your own
now
religion.
that particular point. Thank you. One second. That particular point is going to go into a longer discussion. All that I would say at this point of the debate, and I don't want to speak over everyone. Can I just make one point, please, at the end, please? 1 second. Viewers, I am deeply hurt with the comments that came from Mr. Pirzada today. I am absolutely sure that Mr. Pirzada only speaks for himself. This discussion of the Uniform Civil Code must start on the premise that we are Indians first and then Hindus, Muslims, Jains, Parsis or from Sikhs or any other religion. And आप गलत कर रहे हैं sir. आप पहले कहिए I am an Indian first and then a Muslim, because I would happily say I am an Indian first and then a Hindu. And this constitution gives you Article 25. This constitution gives you the fundamental rights. Please don't walk over the constitution. This is our republic. Let us respect it a little bit more. I thank you all for joining me on this debate on the News Hour tonight. Thank you.